Hello and welcome. I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf, and this is a hall which has vehicles from the Trigano group. So we have EuraMobil, which is the top of the line from Trigano. Indeed, it's when I talk about buying a classic vehicle, often one of the companies I'm thinking of is to get EuraMobil. So rather than buy, for example, a new I won't say any brands, I suggest you have a look at an old EuraMobil. And we've also got here Adria and its sub-brand Sun Living. And Adria is within the Trigano group, but as a company it's got a certain amount of management freedom, more than the other companies within the group have got. And what I want to do is to show you one of its vehicles, which is one of those which is showcased this year. This is this here, the Compact Max, which is, I think, well, it's a motorhome, but it's sort of imitating a camper van. €107,500, 739 centimeters long, but it's only 217 wide. And as you can see, it's on a Volkswagen base, so that's unusual. It's got a lot of style. I think it's very unusual, the color scheme. It's also unusual, it hasn't got a door, sorry, a window there. The colours are really quite original. Of course, you have other colours as well. To buy something new, you get a huge amount of choice. At the back, we've got two windows and a large skylight. Storage along the back, and in here we've got this enormous German bed layout. Storage under the bed, and that's currently being used for a cushion or something, and there's another view of the same cushion. And down here we find that's meant to be the wardrobe. It could of course benefit from a light, in which case I could see, oh, you could see more at the point, what's going on in there. Right, let's pull this out. Let's make a big bed. I've got that right there. That comes out like that. Oh, that'll fit in there, something like that. Oh, sorry, didn't see that. Didn't see me doing it, but not to worry. I didn't make a particularly good job of it. Anyway, of course, if I had two hands, I'd probably get it flat and it would look all right. Washroom is rather elegant, and it comes with a window. So the window you don't get in the lounge, you get in the bathroom instead. This will swing across via a... Ooh, that was quite tough. The magnet holds it in position. Oh, what's on that? That looks nice. And unusual shower tray down here. Right, over here we find the fridge, a bit of storage. That's quite more than a bit of storage, that's quite a lot of storage. And two burners. And a sink. In the kitchen block we've got drawers, face-to-face layout in here, lighting at the front. Note somebody's done in the pleated blackout screen, and up here there's probably a insect net. Window opens. Actually, that's not so difficult to fix. That's a minor problem. Mine break from time to time as well. There you go. A table, very large. Personally, I don't like the face-to-face. The fact it hasn't got a window here, unless there's a very good reason for not having a window here, is a major negative point. Okay, it's got a rather a unique style to it, which may be attractive. I'd have to say myself though. I mean, it's got a wow factor when you go in the first time. I don't think it's very good though. A very big garage here at the back, lots of storage there as well. And for the price, I think you won't do much better than something like this. Oh, same size door at this side. That's a positive feature. Good, okay, there you go. There's the Compact Max from Adria. You know, more or less somebody came in and didn't indicate they had to go, but I got the impression he wanted me to leave, so I left. But I think we saw anything anyway. I'm not impressed by it. Somebody else might be though. So if you're impressed, you just say so. Thanks for watching.